What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another vlog. As I was saying, I am back with another vlog. This is what I am wearing today. I put this on because I am going to the gym later, but yeah, I used to couldn't fit this jacket and now I can. I have washed and conditioned my hair, get into that. And yeah, this is my look for today. So follow me along, you guys. So the reason why I have you guys following me today is because I woke up to this on the scale. This is huge for me, guys, because I've never been under 400 pounds as an adult. This is my lowest weight to date, so I'm excited about that. So what I'm doing today is just running a few errands as my new 300 and something pound self, honey. So we're going to Target to pick up some household essentials. So I have you guys follow me along with that. I also have to run a couple of more places to grab a couple of things before I head to the gym because I do want to do a meal prep. I'm actually trying to make sure that I stay on track because waking up to the scale saying what it said is like making me feel so good about myself. I'm happy and I just want to stay on track so I can keep seeing that number go down. Like, you guys don't know how elated I am to,
how can I help you?
see that. So, yeah.
Can I get a medium water with extra ice? And
Got it.
I'll do an avocado toast.
Okay. Avocado toast?
Yeah,
Okay. You come on around.
thank you.
So I'm just being greedy and like I couldn't wait to get home to eat, but I was a little hungry. But yeah, again, like I said, you guys, I wanted to meal prep this week so I can stay on track. So I went to the Dollar Tree or $1.25 tree or more than a Dollar Tree. And I got me some meal prep plates. They were like 2 for $1 and some change. And I got me 3 sets of those, so that's a total of 6 because I'm trying to do the meal prep 5 days out the week and then kind of give myself a little slack on the weekends. I also got me some small bowls for me to kind of portion my meals out for when I'm not meal prepping. That way I'm still on track. So I am paying my money for my meal prep because, yeah, meal prep dishes, I still came out good paying $1 and change. Made it to the gym, made sure I got my mile in, and I'm back home now. I'm prepping my meats. These are boneless, skinless chicken thighs that I seasoned, put a little water in the pan and some bell pepper and onion, put those in the oven to bake. And while that was cooking, I refilled my vitamins. So for each bowl, I did a side, a meat, and, well, 2 sides and some meat. Again, I used the cups of jasmine rice. I love those. They're already pre-portioned, and they're like 240 calories per cup. I actually split the cups in half, so it's about 120 per bowl. One of them I do have mashed potatoes in. I did split their cup of mashed potatoes with what I'll be eating tonight, which is the mashed potatoes and some chicken, as you see in my portion control bowl. So I'm going to stay in my caloric deficit and make sure I eat my healthier items like my lower sugar oatmeal and yogurts and things. And that's it for today.